Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you have a great day. Today's video is going to be a very simple recipe. We are going to be making tomato and cucumber salad. And I'm going to be using the most commonest ingredients you've ever known. Obviously, we are going to be making use of cucumbers, some red cherry tomatoes, and red onion. I'll be listing out the ingredients you will need for the dressing later. So we're going to start by rinsing all our vegetables. I'm going to add some clean water in a bowl, then add some salt to it. To the water, I'm going to bring in the tomatoes and the cucumbers. I'm just going to make sure I immerse all of this in the salted water and allow it to rest for at least 5 minutes. Don't also forget to add the onion as well. After 5 minutes, I'm just going to rinse this out. So I'll use my hands to scrub the vegetables. You can also rinse this the second time in plain water. Now to make this, you're going to start by slicing the ends of the cucumbers. I'm going to shade them into 4 equal parts. Okay. Now I'm going to cut them into bit size, just into tiny cubes. Once I'm done, I should have something like this. Okay. I'll need to transfer this into my salad bowl. Now I'm going to start cutting the tomatoes into tiny bits as well. So I'm going to remove the ends. Just make sure I cut them into tiny cubes. Once I'm done cutting this, I should have some smaller cubes like this. I'm going to bring it into the bowl containing the cucumber. I'm also going to chop the onions as well. In this case, I'm going to be using half of this. I'm just going to slice this into thin slices. I'll further cut them into tiny pieces as well. Now I have this finely minced onion. I'm still going to bring this into the same bowl. Okay, here we have one bowl, so I'm going to set this aside. Now we are going to prepare the dressing. For the dressing, you are going to need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I use some frozen lemon juice, a teaspoon of white vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, lastly some black pepper flakes. I'm just going to combine everything by stirring this. Okay, so right away I'm going to bring back the salad. I'm now going to I'll drizzle this over the salad. Alright, I'm going to make sure I mix this thoroughly to make sure everything is well combined. Mix this, just stir it. Okay, after mixing the salad, you can garnish it with some greenish vegetable. I'm using lettuce, you can use dill. Look at your tomato and cucumber salad. Our tomato and cucumber salad is ready. Look at this nice colorful salad. It goes well with jollof rice. It's a good side dish to any stir fry, so you can enjoy this immediately. Thank you guys for watching. This was how to make tomato and cucumber salad. It's quite simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also be sure to share it with your friends. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.